and welcome back to another video. And today's topic is how to make $100 fastly by selling ladies products. And number one is from clothing. Literally, you all have things to do. Things to do is a go to Goodwill for some excellent condition items. Some will be tags on them, and list them for sale in local Facebook buy, sell, and trade group in your area. List them today, and if you're correctly guessed what will sell, you could turn a nice profit in a few days time. You could technically take them straight to stores that offer cash on the spot for clothing, but typically you will pay more, will pay and make around the same per amount items. So this is not a good idea if you need to profit. If you need to turn a profit, this is actually one of my favorite ways to make extra cash, even when I don't need it quickly. It explains it's just plain fun to do. My Goodwill is always busy with people looking to flip old items to profit. You can sell second-hand shoes, sweaters, and blue jeans that you get for a good price online through an app like Poshmark or even on a Facebook Marketplace. And another items you can sell on Facebook and etc. online. Kitchen gadgets, anything you don't necessarily use every day that you won't miss. Even no, novel gadgets and like cupcake makers sell really well. Have a coffee pot, but also a percolator and or an espresso machine. Let one go. You will probably use the extra money faster than you will think to use that gadget again. After a while, you won't even notice it's gone. I can't tell you how many items I've done this. And I've not once regretted getting rid of that kitchen item. And another thing is purse in good conditions. All these sell out every single time. Every time they're listed. I'd say it's hands down one of the best items to resell for profit. It works best if it's a brand name handbag. Depending on the bag, you can earn about 50 to 75% of retail price if they're in good, excellent condition. However, someone asked me how they can make money in few days or less. This is the one thing I tell them to sell if they have a one in good condition. I personally carry around second-hand purse. I got a thrift store and I get complaints on it. There's no reason why you can't sell your expensive handbag and go with a cheaper one for now. And that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.